Well, today, hopefully, we can get the white shadow over to the tinting shop and have some window tint put on these windows so we can protect the leather so it lasts a little longer. Plus, I think it looks pretty cool. Window tinting is illegal in California for those people who live in California, but that's the plan, and I'm hoping I can take you with me. So let's go see what we can accomplish.
My name is Bryant Norman. I'm the owner of Creative Tint, located at 14949 Bear Valley Road, Hesperia, California, 92345. What I'm about to do today, I'm about to put window film on this Challenger. It's a 2019 Dodge Challenger we're about to install window film on. And as you see right here, these are some films that we have in stock. This is our basic entry-level film. It comes with a lifetime warranty against fading, peeling, and bubbling. This takes about 35% of the heat to come inside your vehicle because this is a dyed film. Then you step into our Suntech carbon. This is a semi-metallic and semi-dyed film. The difference between this film and this film is that this film rejects twice as much heat than the dyed film does. Why? Because it has two layers. It has a metallic layer and a semi-dyed layer. Now you step into the top of the line version of window film. This is our ceramic film. Our ceramic film is the same type of material that NASA puts on the outer core of the spaceship, so it takes 92% of the heat to come inside your vehicle, and they also making it clear. And this is a demonstration box that we have for our customers that come in that can actually feel the temperature being rejected before it even been put on their vehicle. Thank you so much.
And this is the one we selected. And that color, that tint. Okay, some of the questions the viewers are going to ask is, number one, how do you prep the car?
First thing in prepping the car, you have to clean the outside of the windows. So when you clean the outside of the windows, you got to make sure there's any excess dirt that's been on the window before you apply the window film, before you cut it on the outside. So you have to wipe the windows down. And for the back window, for preparation, you wipe it down and then you put soap on it to avoid let it dry. So we do a dry shrinking method for it.
Okay, and then how do you apply it?
When you apply it with the solution. But the solution is a little bit of water. Then about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 drops of soap. Okay, then once you apply it, you apply the film on the inside. But before you apply the film on the inside, you have to clean the glass on the inside. How you clean the glass on the inside is either with a soft scrub pad or either a single edge spray spray.
Okay, now this car, and as we talked, this car has where the windows go down slightly when you open the door and close the door, it goes back up automatically. How do you compensate for something like that?
Well, you can turn your camera around, I can show you. But the fact is, with any Dodge Challengers, Camaros, and whatnot, they have this dropping mechanism. As you see, when you open the door, it goes up and down. So when you open it, it drops down automatically. So in order to trick this sometimes, on this particular vehicle, you got to put this in here and lock it.
Oh, okay.
So you're tricking the door mechanism, think that the door is already locked.
Oh, okay. Well, that's a great idea. A great idea. So once this is finished and you've got it all completed, how soon can we wash the car?
You can wash the car immediately. The only thing is, when you wash the car, the person that's washing the vehicle cannot touch the inside of the windows. They can touch the outside, but they cannot touch the inside of the windows. Why? Because the tint is still fresh and you're able to put water, moisture, and bubbles inside the film.
Okay. And the warranty?
But for the Suntech version, it's a lifetime warranty against fading, for it's turning purple, bubbling up, and peeling.
There you go. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Okay, we're doing some before pictures that I can companion with some after pictures. Right now he's cleaning the outside of the windows. See what it looks like. Now he's cutting out his patterns.
I double cut both patterns because both windows are the same windows on both sides. So, because I cut one window, I have both windows cut. So, one window, shut. Some people like to do single cuts. I prefer to do double cuts because it saves time.
Yep. This is called the dry shrink method.
Right. Why? Because it's nothing but soap behind the tint to actually shrink the tint, lay the tint down. See these right here? This is what we call tint. This is what we call bubbles in your tint. Just to cut the tint out and put the tint inside. It will not lay down properly because the windows are curved. They're concave. They're curved upside, top to bottom, and to left and right. Parts to the film. There's an outside clear part which covers and protects the adhesive, get any dirt or anything in it. But once you go from the outside to inside, you're going to have some type of contamination particles because there are always adjusting particles in the air. So this is what you can eliminate it the best way possible. Those that do not touch the film actually versus so your fingerprints will not get on the film. Lock the film down and seal the film. It's very important that you move all the water moisture out of the film so that the film can dry faster and it won't retain any extra moisture. And always after you complete the window, clean the window so you can see your work, touch up your work, and make sure that everything is fine and neat. These edgeless windows, you want to try to get them as close to the edge, but not all the way up to the edge. As far as possible, you have a micro edge. But you see I have excess left over here on the side because if you cut this on the outside, if you try to install on the inside, it have a serious gap over here on the inside because the gaps would be off. So I leave the excess on the side so I can do a final cut once I have the glass installed. And I can do a seamless edges cut right on the end. Makes it look real clean, very professional, like it came from the factory. That's it.
So will this stuff come off as leather? Like right here?
Yes. This is water.
Oh, it's just water?
outside, and then I will repeat the edge so I can lay this down and foul it. Because if you don't foul this edge right here, it'll come off. You begin to peel this edge, like you just cut it on the edge.
That's this edge right here?
Yes.
Right along there.
We're about to put a torch to it. You don't want to put the torch in there too long because it will burn the chemical. The reason for the torch is to make the film dry much faster on the edge, so I can go ahead and foul the edge. Okay. Now we're going to file. See that? That little piece right there?
Yeah.
Do like this, it'll come off the glass. So you're bound to get a nice clean edge. Make it look like it came from a Dodge dealership, manufacturer. How you doing, folks? This is Brian once again with Creative Tint. And as you see, we have a completed vehicle that's been tinted with the SunTech carbon film, which is our big gray film. Now, a little couple of steps that you need to know. After you get your vehicle tinted, you need to know that you cannot roll your window down for 48 hours. So that's 2 days. And then also, when you clean your windows, use ammonia-free glass cleaner and use a soft microfiber towel to clean the windows on the inside. If you're cleaning your car yourself, or if you take it to any other car wash or anything like that, make sure you're using ammonia-free glass cleaner. All right. Thank you so much. And also the location that we're located at is 14949 Bear Valley Road, Hesperia, California. We're directly across the street from the El Super grocery store. We're in the garage of the Bear Valley Hand Car Wash next to the Valley Instant Oil Change. 14949 Bear Valley Road, Hesperia, California, 92345. Creative Tint. We're signing off. Thank you so much.
The white shadow getting waxed. White shadow getting a wax and a massage, getting ready to roll. Okay, it's been washed. It has the new window tint in it. It's been waxed and it's looking good. The white shadow looks great. roll. Like what you saw, hit the like button. If you want to go on our next trip and be notified, hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to leave a comment and share it with someone you know. Until the next time, I'll see you later. God bless.